Turkish 1 Delta Lima, new QNH 1005.
1005, copy Turkish 1 Delta Lima, thank you.
Turkish 1 Delta Lima via Mike 1, line up and wait, 23 right.
Via Mike 1, line up and wait, runway 23 right, Turkish 1 Delta Lima.
Turkish 1 Delta Lima, runway 23 right, cleared for takeoff, surface wind 160 degrees, 11 knots.
34 takeoff, runway 23 right, Turkish 1 Delta Lima.
Turkish 1 Delta Lima, contact Scottish Control 133.8, bye-bye.
132.8, Turkish 1 Delta Lima, bye-bye.
Good morning, version 75 Lima.
Version 75 Lima, hello, hold at Mike 1, report ready for departure.
Version 75 Lima, hold Mike 1, ready and breaching.
Roger. Version 75 Lima, behind the landing Embraer 195 on a 2-mile final, via Mike 1, line up and wait, 23 right behind.
Behind the landing at Embraer, clear to line up Mike 1, 2, 3 right behind version 75 Lima.
Version 75 Lima, 23 right, cleared for takeoff, wind 160 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear for takeoff, 23 right, version 75 Lima.
Version 75 Lima, contact Scottish Control 128.055, bye-bye.
Scottish 128.055, version 75 Lima.
Tower, good morning, Cathay 216 on kilo to hold short, Mike 1.
Cathay 216, hello, hold at Mike 1 and report ready for departure.
Hold it, Mike 1, Cathay 216.
Cathay 216, are you ready for departure?
Firm, ready for departure, Cathay 216.
Cathay 2 and 6 behind, the landing A319 via Mike 1, line up and wait, 23 right behind.
Behind the landing 319 via Mike 1, clear line up runway 23 right behind, Cathay 216.
Cathay 2 and 6, 23 right, cleared for takeoff, wind 160 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 23 right, Cathay 216.
Cathay 2 and 6, contact Scottish Control, it's a non-standard frequency, 133.8, bye-bye.
133.8, good day, Cathay 216.